What if I told you the global economy runs on a system most people don't fully understand? Every country trades, every bank lends, every government prints money. But behind all of it, there's a structure. And if you understand this structure, you understand global power. After World War II, the global economy was unstable. Countries needed a system they could trust. So in 1944, world leaders met to redesign global finance. Over time, the US dollar became the center of that system. Today, most countries hold US dollars in their central bank reserves. Why? Because global trade, especially oil, is priced in dollars. If countries want to trade internationally, they need dollars. Many people think the US government directly prints money, but monetary policy is controlled by the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve controls interest rates. It manages money supply. It aims to stabilize inflation. When interest rates rise, borrowing becomes expensive. When rates fall, money flows more easily. And because the dollar dominates global trade, these decisions don't just affect America. They affect the entire world. Here's where it gets interesting. In 2008, a major investment bank called Lehman Brothers collapsed. That collapse triggered panic. Markets crashed. Banks struggled. Governments intervened. Central banks lowered interest rates and injected massive amounts of liquidity. Why? Because the global system is deeply interconnected. One major shock can ripple across continents. When too much money enters the system, prices rise. That's inflation. Inflation reduces purchasing power. Your salary might stay the same, but your money buys less. And here's the part most people overlook. Inflation doesn't affect everyone equally. Those who own assets like stocks or real estate often benefit. Those holding cash lose value over time. The global monetary system isn't random. It's structured around currency dominance, central banking, and global trade. And once you understand how it works, economic headlines start making sense. If you want more global finance breakdowns like this, subscribe